For millennia, we've looked up at the night sky and seen a picture of serene, unchanging beauty. The stars seem so peaceful, so distant, a silent cosmic ballet. But what if I told you that this perception is a grand illusion, that the universe, in reality, is a place of unimaginable violence, chaos, and constant, brutal change? The James Webb Space Telescope is peeling back the curtain on this cosmic drama, and what it's showing us is far more turbulent and dynamic than we ever dared to imagine. It's a universe forged in fire and fury, and today we're diving deep into the heart of the storm. When you think of a stellar nursery, the birthplace of stars, what comes to mind? Maybe a gentle, glowing cloud of cosmic dust, slowly and gracefully coalescing into new suns. The reality, as revealed by Webb, is anything but gentle. Imagine a tempestuous ocean with waves of gas and dust crashing against each other, driven by forces that dwarf anything we experience on Earth. These are the star-forming regions of our cosmos. Webb's infrared eyes peer through the obscuring dust to show us what's happening inside these chaotic clouds. Like the stunning pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula or the cosmic cliffs of the Carina Nebula. What we see are not peaceful cradles, they are battlegrounds. Massive young stars, freshly ignited, unleash ferocious stellar winds and torrents of intense ultraviolet radiation. This isn't a gentle glow, it's a cosmic blowtorch carving and sculpting the surrounding gas clouds. This process, known as stellar feedback, is incredibly violent. The radiation ionizes the gas, making it glow in the brilliant colors we see in Webb's images, while the powerful winds push and compressed the material, sometimes triggering new waves of star formation, and at other times completely blowing the nursery apart before more stars can be born. It's a delicate, violent balance between creation and destruction. This is how galaxies are shaped from the inside out. And it's not just birth that's violent, it's death too. When massive stars reach the end of their lives, they don't just fade away. They go out in a blaze of glory, a supernova explosion that can outshine an entire galaxy for a brief period. These explosions are the universe's ultimate recycling plants. They blast heavy elements, the iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe out into space at incredible speeds. Webb can study the remnants of these supernovas in unprecedented detail, tracing how these essential ingredients for planets and for life itself are distributed across the cosmos. We are literally made of stardust, but that stardust was forged in the most violent furnaces in the universe. These observations from Webb are completely rewriting our textbooks. We used to think of galactic evolution as a slow, stately process. Now we understand it's driven by these explosive high-energy events. The structure of galaxies, the rate at which they form stars, and the chemical composition of the universe are all dictated by this continuous cycle of violent birth, life, and death. It's a cosmic engine running on chaos. The universe isn't just expanding, it's churning, evolving, and remaking itself moment by moment. Webb is also showing us the extreme environments around supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. These cosmic monsters feed on surrounding gas and stars, and as material spirals into them, it heats up and releases unimaginable amounts of energy in the form of quasars. These are the most luminous objects in the universe, and their radiation can sterilize entire galaxies, halting star formation in its tracks. This is galactic feedback on the grander scale, a cosmic power struggle between the creative forces of starbirth and the destructive appetite of black holes. So, the next time you look up at the seemingly peaceful night sky, remember what you're truly seeing. You're looking at a snapshot of a universe locked in a constant, violent struggle for existence. A place where stars are born in tempests and die in cataclysms, seeding the cosmos with the building blocks of everything we know. The James Webb Space Telescope is our guide to this real universe, not the serene picture we imagined, but a far more exciting, dynamic, and untamed frontier. It's a universe that is constantly in motion, driven by forces of incredible power. But if you want to keep exploring the true nature of our cosmos and fuel your mind beyond its limits, make sure you subscribe to The Cosmic Drive. We're just getting started on this journey. Thanks for watching.